Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be fishing a pond that's right in the front entrance of my mother's neighborhood. And I've had really good success there for the most part. Some days you strike out, some days you pull in 10 plus bass. It really depends how they're eating that day. But as far as weather, it's looking really good outside. It's a nice clear blue. It's chilly though. It's very much winter bass fishing. Might have to fish slow. Surprisingly though, these fish will hit fast moving baits like a rooster tail for some reason. Crushes it out there for the most part. Some days they're not having it though. Some days, you gotta drag a jig or throw a chatterbait. But yeah, we're gonna get out there and see what happens. So first initial thought walking up to the pond, it's a really nice day out. Clear skies, no cloud in the sky at all. It's nice and sunny. There's a good portion of the water getting hit by sunlight, which should put in the work the rooster tail. Maybe get on an aggressive bite. It's not likely since it is winter bass fishing, but with this pond, like I said, I do have particular luck with the rooster tail. So we're gonna, cast it out there and give it a dangle, see what happens. All right guys, so got the rooster tail hooked up. Got some nice sunlight down in the water. Hopefully that little reflector will get him to cause some bites. I mean, it's a pretty small pond, so there's not much area a fish can really be, towards that way. It's just shallow. It's really shallow, a lot more sticks. The right side of the pond is where you want to be. It's the deeper side too. So especially in the winter, you want to be definitely on this side of the pond. But I don't know, it's a nice day out. I think I can have some luck here. That freaking fountain though, I have lost several baits on already. I don't know how I cast at that thing sometimes. Just lose them repetitively. It's really heartbreaking, honestly. Oh, I think I might have just got hit right there. Maybe. Ooh, can't tell. In this pond, sometimes they'll just take it right at the bank. I've had that happen several times to me. I don't really reel it in slow the whole way in. Sometimes they'll whack it right at the bank. Oh, I think I got one. Yeah. Yeah. This feels decent. Yes. Told you, man, the freaking rooster. They can't stand it here. For a winter bass, they love it. First fish of the day, boys. Hell yeah. It's a nice looking bass. Really healthy looking. Got deep colors to them. Oh yeah. There we go. On the way, first fish of the day. So we got the first fish of the day, boys. Nothing crazy big, but it's always good to get that first fish off your back and get some confidence for the day. But overall, it's a really healthy looking fish. A good looking guy. Caught him off the rooster. Telling you, they're aggressive in here. You'd be surprised of a winter bass hitting a rooster tail, but they'll do it. Especially the way the sun's coming down right now, hitting this water, perfect reflecting for that that gold spinner that's on the rooster tail. But hell yeah, boys, let's get it back in the water and keep on fishing. Alright guys, I think rooster's going to be the move here as far as what we're going to be catching them off to today. I brought the black and blue jig just in case I have to, you know, end up going a little bit slower, but that one hit that one pretty aggressively, so I'm hoping the rest are that aggressive in here. They should be. Oh, there we go. There we go, there we go. Yes. Took another 1 pounder or so. Flip them up. Look at that. Not chill. Chill. There we go. Another small guy, but another fish nonetheless. Might hook myself here. I don't know. Alright. Tiny guy, but hey, fish. Oh. Sorry about that. Kinda. It's like, I don't know what happened in there. It's like down here chilling. If you just hit this again, no way. I think I need to release him a little bit more gracefully next time. That was a little rough. Sorry about that guy. It's like right in this pocket. Tends to be a good bit of them. It's pretty much anywhere the sun's hitting, this bait's got to work. Because of that reflecting aspect. I think the reason this rooster tail works right now, even though it is winter, is the fact that it is so freaking shallow, I think, in this pond, that there really isn't many deep areas for them to go to start. So, probably why this is effective. But I don't think if you went anywhere that had any sort of deep pockets in the pond, this would really work, because they'd more than likely be hanging out around there. Pretty sure this is just like max 6 feet, and that might even be much. So that's at least my guess why they love this thing. But hey, I prefer it because fishing slow is really not my style. I mean, sometimes you just gotta do it, and it can be rewarding. But I'm way, way more about just fast fishing, because fishing slow is pretty much what you have to do for the most part in the winter, and it's kind of like sucks because you're freezing and you want to move as much as possible. And that's why winter fishing isn't that popular, because they're down deep, you gotta fish slow for the most part, and you're freezing and you're not moving that much. So yeah, I don't blame people that don't want to really fish in the winter, but I guess I'm addicted. Oh well, worst things to be addicted to, right? One thing that's great about a rooster tail, it's such a brain dead bait. It's just a bait you just cast and reel. It's just a slow reel in. I mean, it is fun to work a bait sometimes, but not in the winter. Oh my! Can't tell if I'm hitting a tree right there or if it's a fish. Really cannot tell. Oh, God. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Oh, he's not bad. For this pond, he's not a bad one. Maybe a little over a pound. Fuck me. Stabbed myself with a hook. Damn. Oh, he is not bad. That's definitely the biggest one of the day, without a doubt. Definitely the biggest one of the day. God, man, he was not coming loose. Come on. Might have to get pliers for this, no joke. He is really kind of hooked in there, no lie. Yeah, I'm at the snag pliers. I don't want to hook myself on this treble hook. That's just does not sound fun. I'm gonna be real. That's why you always have pliers with you, people. Oh my shoot, my tackle box will open. There we go. Okay. Alright. This is a pain in the ass, tell you what. God, he hooked himself pretty good. Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah, dude, this guy was not coming off. Jesus. You're in there. Oh, okay. Woo! Holy crap. That was something. Wow. Holy smokes. He did not want to... It's a good looking fish though. These fish all have really dark colors to them. It's really cool. Really healthy looking fish out here. Alright, well. See you, bud. Nice, third fish of the day. Definitely the biggest one so far. Alright, let's keep throwing it. Oh, there we go. I think, oh, he got off. Shit. Damn it. Ah, I definitely got hit. Shoot. There we go. What is that? I think there's something. No, that's a fish. He came back for it. He came back for it. He was chasing it. Fish number 4. Got him right to the top. Looks like he might have been caught before, probably by me, honestly. I don't think really anyone fishes this pond. But yeah, hey, fish number 4. Small guy, but fish nonetheless. I mean, they are crushing the rooster tail, just like I suspected. I mean, it's the perfect conditions for it. Clear skies, not a freaking cloud in the sky, guys. And it's right on the water surface. Got a shallow pond. Hey, who said winter bass can't be aggressive? Winter bass. I can hardly speak right now. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right at the bank. Oh, there we go. Skiing. There we are. And he just now came off. Okay. Hey, 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 relax. Relax, dude. Well, there he is. Probably not even a pound. Nonetheless, a good fish, though. Well, see you, dude. Why are you? No, other way. All right, there you go. Right. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Feels decent. Feels decent. No! Oh no. Wow. That is a bummer. That is a bummer. Wow. That felt decent. Wait, wait, wait. I think I got him. No, no, no. Oh my gosh. That's super freaking unfortunate. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Not nearly as big as that last one I was. Wow, I think he's the smallest one yet. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is, wow. Tiny, tiny guy. Yeah. Come on. Woo! Small dude. There you go. I've been catching a bunch of fish. Thing is, my hands are about to freeze off because it is cold and my hands have been in the water when I have to release these fish, and they've just been about icicle now, and I need to eat. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I need to head back and get some lunch. But yeah. Just got back to the house, had a really good day of fishing, as y'all saw. As soon as I woke up, I knew those clear blue skies and that rooster tail was gonna crush it with the sun hitting the water like that. I mean, I called it before I left. I brought a backup just in case. Of course, I had my tackle box as always, but I really only thought all I needed was a rooster tail and a black and blue jig just in case they weren't as aggressive and I need to work it a little bit slower. But they were aggressive and I didn't need to switch up the bait at all, and that's always fun fishing to me. Anyway, you know, I had a good time. I'm freaking starving. Now I need to get some lunch in me, but if you enjoyed what you saw, you know, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and you know, until next time, guys.